Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at Helens Gate. It's a gate, and there's like numerous gates all around the city, but I'll take you on both sides and show you what it looks like, and you can see for yourself. But it's just an interesting aspect of Malta. Thanks everybody, bye-bye. So this gate is called Helen Gate. Back in the old days, they had these walls that surrounded the city and different areas, and you can see that it's really pretty fortified. And I'll try not to get hit by a car, but you can see there's a date up there on top of that one. But this one's called Helen Gate, and there's a lot of them that are still intact. There's a Notre Dame gate and a couple other gates all throughout the city, and I think they were all here at one point to obviously to stop intruders. And there's a gate even onto Valletta and everything else, and it's these huge fortified walls that, I mean, that's a that's a big wall. You know, when you look at that thing, boy, it's crazy. So anyway, this is the Helens Gate, and it's really not a real big tourist attraction, but you know, I saw it on the map and I saw that it was historical and all that kind of stuff, so I figured I'd just come and take a peek at it. And so this is it. And so Helens Gate. Let me go to the other side and I'll show you the other side of it. I mean, it certainly could have been fortified, huh? I mean, you know what I mean? It looks like they had entrance ways here, and they had bow and arrow kind of guys all over the place, and it's certainly tall. It's probably, I don't know, 3 stories, 30 feet or more. And it has some artwork on the inside there. Interesting. And it doesn't say anything in English. And you can tell how tall that is. I mean, you can see the stairs over there. I mean, so that probably goes up 1, 2, 3, 4 flights, maybe, to the top up there. Let me back up here and I'll get a better picture of it on this side. If I can, again, not get hit. You know, the cars drive on the wrong side of the street, and so I'm trying to, okay. Well, maybe I'm not going to get the opportunity. Anyway, Helens Gate, everybody. Thanks for coming. Bye.